Are you still renting? Has your rent gone up in the last few years? I know it has in some parts of Arizona. What used to be 14 or 1500 a month became 18, 19, 2000 a month. And the cost of your rent could go up in the next few years again, just like it did. Will you be prepared? Hey, it's Mel with Mark and Mel Team eXp Realty. You'll know it's a buyer's market, right? In most of the United States, and especially in Arizona, we have a large amount of new builds, which we're going to show you right now. We're going to tour a townhome that gives you more space than an apartment. But the reason this is great is because it's a buyer's market and because we have so much inventory, almost as much as the Great Recession for new builds, not for resales. But what the difference will be is that these new builds will give you a low rate, and that low rate, that low interest rate right now is sometimes as low as 3.99%. If you could buy a house and own and know it's a fixed rate and know that payment's not going to go up and you're going to own something, wouldn't you be interested? Yes, of course you would. You should pay attention right now, particularly because this is not going to last. So we're breaking down the 4 biggest reasons why now is the time to stop renting and start owning if you're going to pay the same payment anyway. And check out these new townhomes that are making it affordable with their mortgage company. If you use their mortgage company, you can get rates as low as 3.99. That percentage brings the payment down immensely, and they are having some amazing summer super deals at Hawes Crossing. And so check out these new Lennar townhomes out. And this is not an adjustable, this is a fixed rate 30-year loan. And we'll show you the HOA facilities also. There's an awesome swimming pool, and of course these come with 2-car garages. So you can see these townhomes look similar to apartments, but remember, you own this, including the land in a townhome. Okay, this is the front entry, and you come in, and directly to the right, you're going to see the first bedroom. Good size. You can see the bathroom. You can see a nice, good size shower, double sinks, and then you've got the nice, good size walk-in closet there. So then, as you come out, there's the stairs directly to the left. And then here's a hidden little area for your laundry. Right there, good use of area under the staircase. Got a nice little cabinet there. As you go out to the garage, you've got a nice, good size 2-car garage. Look at that. It's a good size 2-car garage. Let's go up the stairs. Open space. Look at it. Nice and roomy. You got your own nice little personal balcony out there, private balcony. But it's a good space here. For couch area. You've got area for your dining room table. And a good sized kitchen. Now this is the pantry. Good sized breakfast bar. And you have your appliances. You've got electric range over there, oven, microwave. But yeah, good sized cabinets. So plenty of area for seating or entertaining. So as you go in here, you make a direct right into the second bathroom. And you've got a single sink there. You've got a linen closet there. Then as you go in here, you've got this really cute bedroom in here. It's a good size. They have a crib in here, but you could put a bed. There's enough room for a bed. Or you can make it our office, for guests or whatever, guest room or an office. And then you've got a good sized bedroom in here. $10,000 super luxury flooring, which looks really nice, is $9,500, and they're giving $10,000 towards upgrades also. So let's take a look at the other one. Now they do have the tanager here. We'll show you really quick. It's just a mirror image, a floor plan really, but they do have a July and August special that the payment is down to $2,041, as low as $2,041. So let's take a look. It's very similar. You come in the front entry, and immediately to the left there is a bedroom here. So this is the bedroom on the left side, kind of flip-flop from the other side. You've got the double sinks and full shower there for the bathroom, and bedroom down here, or office if you wanted to make it an office. And you've got the same kind of thing here. You've got 2-car garage, nice roomy 2-car garage. Okay. Now going up the stairs here. Oh, under the stairs you have the laundry again. We end up having a nice open area. See, it's just kind of mirrored. So very similar to the other one. But you got a lot of room here for a dining room table. Nice sized balcony. Good sized living area there. You could just talk with everybody here, visit with everybody. Another large breakfast bar in here. So lots of seating. Now this gives you an idea of the white cabinets and how they look. Really pretty. And you go back here, you've got the bathroom to the left then, and a linen closet. Then you have one of the bedrooms here, and one of the bedrooms over here. So really convenient, lots of space. So, 3 good-sized bedrooms and 2 good-sized bathrooms. So very, very open, spacious looking, lots of light, lots of windows, really nice. That felt good. That felt so good cooling off in those models. But aren't they cute? Those are the ones that are on special right now. They're over 1,300 square feet. They really appear to be even more. Good sized bedrooms, good sized great room, nice sized breakfast bar, nice balcony, nice porch, the 2-car garage. You've got laundry in there. Now remember also, this is going to lower your cost and waiting for a landlord to fix your appliances and things that go out, because you've got usually a warranty that comes with all these brand new appliances. So that's really nice. You don't have to worry about that for several years. You can just enjoy your new everything for a while and take a break. You don't have a garbage disposal breaking down, or a dishwasher breaking down, or, it's sad to see so many landlords out there not really taking care of tenants. I'm blown away. I'm blown away at how poorly some landlords take care of their tenants. It's the way it is. They're trying to save a buck, profit off you, be very picky right now. You have the chance to be very picky right now. And if you can take advantage, like I said, of all new with a low mortgage that meets or beats what you're paying on somebody else's place, why wouldn't you do it? You can resell this later. If it's not the right thing for you, you can resell it. Stay there several years and know that your mortgage, your rent payment's not going to keep going up. So yeah, you still have to be concerned. It's your place. Yes. You have to buy right. You have to make sure that you're going to have a job. Listen, if you don't pay your rent, your landlord's not going to let you stay there for free either. So why not pay a mortgage and own the thing? If you had to, you could sell it. And I'm going to boil. So I have to turn on the AC. But really quick, number 4. Number 4 is, remember this, you guys, appreciation. Appreciation is on your side, even if it's slight appreciation. 3.75, some builders incentives are for a fixed rate mortgage. That is gold. Look up how often it's been 4% out there. Hardly ever. That's why so many people jumped in when the interest rates went down. But guess what? You can take advantage as a renter to get your foot in the door. They're not giving this deal to just everybody. The first-time home buyer or the downsizer gets their chance now. So listen, we want to fight for you. This is what we do. We've done this for years. You don't stay in business with a 5-star Google review without taking care of your buyers and sellers. If this was not a good deal, I would not say anything about it. Zip, I would not. This is bonus tips for you. Okay, buy when people are miserable shopping in the summer in Arizona. We do it all the time. We've bought in over 50 fix and flips, and what do? We look for the worst ones, right? If you're in a 2-story apartment anyway and you are renting and you want to take advantage of this very short window of a buyer's market, because when you can get things to your favor, because once appreciation starts up the other side and you start seeing all those investors hopping in again, that's when it's going to be rougher for you as a buyer to get your foot in the door. You can hop in now and start on your appreciation instead of making a landlord rich. Believe me, we love working with all kinds of buyers, even investors. But right now, I want you to take advantage of this as a new home buyer. I want the next generation to take advantage of whatever I see out there. So give us a call, 480-462-7355. We will love helping you. Let us make sure that you are taken care of. And if it's not for you, then don't buy it. We will not push you at all. No pressure, ever. Okay, we never pressure anybody. We just tell the facts, just like they are, just the facts, ma'am. So let's get you started and get your foot in the door to making equity and building wealth for your family. This is Mel with the Mark and Mel team, eXp Realty. We love helping other home sellers and home buyers with excellence through experience, just like we've done for over 30 years. See you next time.